let's start.
Okay, just want to check with you later when I finish a slide, then you do explanation, or I can go all to explain and then you explain later. What do you want me to do? Do you want to explain along the way with me with your Thai version, or I can go through all with the English presentation? Can I have an understanding before I start? Can I have an understanding? Should I explain and in English, then you translate to Thai, or I can go through the entire presentation with English? Can you please answer me before I start?
Yes.
I still don't get any answer. Do you want me to do number one, to explain all in English, or number two, I explain in English, you translate to Thai?
Oh, sorry. You can speak English.
I've completely, okay, I will go through the entire presentation with English. Okay? Okay, good. I will go a little, okay. I go a little bit slow so that you will all get it. Okay, today I'm going to go through the ProjectWise 365 overview. Let me know if you cannot hear me properly. I try to get as close to the mic and then explained a bit slow. Okay, so I'm the senior application engineer from Bentley System. I'm currently based in Singapore. So my name is KK Chu. So I'm going to bring you through the ProjectWise 365 with some slides and some video show, okay? So let me start off with the first thing. So ProjectWise 365 is our new offering for small, medium businesses. So we started to market this end of last year, and then in, this year, since the COVID-19, and we have actually pushed ProjectWise 365 to many users and many small, medium companies or projects. They are already started using ProjectWise 365. Okay, so ProjectWise 365. Can someone mute your microphones so that I don't have big feedback sound? Okay, so ProjectWise 365 services is a cloud-based solution that consists of the following modules, and it can be accessed at project level. So you can create many projects. Let's say you have 10 projects, you can create 10 projects, and each project will have all these modules attached. Okay, the first module is share. Okay, share is something like a Dropbox share. I will go into details on the subsequent slides. We also have a module called Deliverables Management, which manages the transmittal, submittal, RFI, and correspondence. We have the module called Issue Resolution. Issue resolution can come from 2D. That means the 2D plans, you will do a markup and you put a comment and you want to assign a markup or comment to someone, and this will go into the issues register. Okay, so you have a issue register plus the dashboard. Forms, forms will be digitizing your paper. So you use paper to do safety, quality, checklist, inspections. All this can be translated into a digital form using iOS, tablet, mobile device to do inspection. And the last one is iTwin Ad Hoc Design Review. This is basically a 3D review. It's a lower version. Of course, if you want a higher version, we do have, but in the ProjectWise365, we provide you with the iTwin ad hoc design review. So I will give you all this in details later on. So the first thing is ProjectWise365 share. Okay, so ProjectWise365 share is like a cloud-based Dropbox style of sharing information for you to upload files. So you can load as many files as possible into a cloud-based location, central depository for your team working in the project, so that you have one place to look for your information. And file uploading is quite big file size in terms of per upload maximum can go up to 10 gigabyte. I mean, per one file upload to the system, to the cloud, every one time you can upload up to 10 gigabytes. Okay, quick and easy for you to exchange files. It allows you to facilitate the collaboration, so you can actually open up one folder and share to external party. So you don't have to actually transmit, but then let's say that is one folder you want to open up and then let external users to use, you can do so. Okay, so that you can share the content with your external parties. You can assign access right control to folders, and you can synchronize folders, selected folder to desktop. So you can choose which folder to synchronize to desktop. So I'm going into the details. So it's a very easy to use folder system that you can create folder and subfolders. You can drag and drop all the folder structure in your local window explorer, drag and drop all the folders in, and you will create all the folders as required from the system. Okay, so you can see there are different icons on the folders. One icon with this human sign, meaning you are sharing this folder to someone with access right. So for this particular folder, you can see you can assign different roles in your organization, or maybe an external organization. You can give organization 1, organization 2, and what can they do that to that folders. You give them access rights accordingly. So you can also delete, rename, move the file around, lock the file. Create new version is mainly for maybe for Word file, Excel file, PPT file. You can create new version. Okay. Other than that, the so-called PDF file, when you upload the same file name, it will give you a bracket 1, bracket 2, like Windows Explorer for the version. So of course, there will be full audit trails. If you want to see who actually uploaded, who modified, there will be audit trail. So if someone accidentally remove, delete the file, deleted file can be found from the recycle bin. Okay, so you can synchronize the folder to your local computer. So you can see that I've synchronized the test file or the file from the Window Explorer to the cloud. I can drag and drop, create files in the Window Explorer, and with the synchronization, it will store a copy into the share cloud. So very similar to OneDrive or Dropbox. So in the 2D PDF file, you can create issues. So you can mark up on the PDF file. You can put a flag and create issues out of this. So once you create issue, you have like command communication -00011. That means it has a number and you can assign this to someone, and there's a due date you can assign to. Okay. Later, I will explain a bit more on the issues, dashboard, and register. So just give you a quick view of how the share looks like. So you create a project, and invite the team members to this project. Okay, for if you want to share to external, you must invite the external party into this project as well. So inside the share, you can have different folders, and each and every folder, you can actually do like, I want to set the folder access right accordingly based on access right, based on the roles that you created. Okay, so uploading a file is simply drag and drop. So it's very simple. You can drag and drop a folder structure with all the files in, and that will be easily created into the system. Okay, so you can click on the PDF file and do a markup. So you can do a cloud highlight, so-called maybe a comment on the particular PDF file. You can zoom in, zoom out. So this markup will be a layer on top of the PDF file. It will automatically create another layered file on top of this PDF file. Okay, so you can do a synchronization of, let's say, this folder. You synchronize to the local. You will see on the left is the Window Explorer. I click on the iModel folder. On the right hand side, on my cloud solution, I will have also the same files. Okay, so this is a local synchronized to